Hi guys, today I'm going to share something new I checked out recently while working on a TMDB project. So, how we usually add a JSON to convert it into a Kotlin data class. So for now, let's say I can go to my TMDB project, TMDB website, and then copy a popular movies response. I copied it here, came here, and then I used the plugin which we normally used to have. We paste it here, give it a name, and then just generate it. But normally, what it does, like if we have some nested items like the results and the page item, so something like these are converted into like multiple files whenever we generate it. To make it generated in a single file, what we can do is like go to the advanced section. Here we can like decide like what type of keyword and type and strategy we can give. Like I want to give it a non-nullable, and it should be like a default value should be given for it. And for the annotation, it actually depends with your retrofit converter factory. Like you can have JSON or like a Moshi or Jackson something else. But for now, I'm using Kotlin serialization, so I chose this one. And to keep all the data classes inside one single file, we can just add this enable inner class model. So by selecting this, the whole response will be added inside a single class. So that's it. Just generate it now, and here you can see popular movies inside one single file with all the response. That's all. Thank you.